Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. I'm so excited to do this designer series paper reveal. This is the Let It Snow specialty designer series paper from the Stampin' Up! 2019 holiday mini catalog. This paper is gorgeous and the catalog just doesn't do it justice because there's so many shimmer pieces and it is absolutely stunning. I really hope I can capture it on camera so you can really see all of the fabulous shine on the pieces. One side of the piece has a fabulous like chunky glitter look, but it's not the kind that's gonna like flake off on you. It's the kind that adds amazing texture and that perfect shine. Like the trees here and the snowmen and the hats, it's so fabulous. There are a few pieces in here that don't actually have a glitter piece on one side, but they're still just as fabulous, like this one here with the mittens and with the little bitty snowmen there. So you can always embellish with those too. So they're super fabulous. I'm gonna go through each of these sheets and I want you to pick out your favorite one and let me know what it is in the comments below. Okay, so which one was your favorite? Mine is definitely this snowman one here. I think it is just absolutely adorable. I can't wait to create with that one. But I'm also super loving the other patterns that actually aren't the glitter ones too. Like I'm loving these because I think they'll make great background pieces or just like a little strip. You could also use like a strip of these red stripes down on the bottom of this snowman card and it would be super fabulous. Of course, those solid patterns also are great for all occasion cards throughout the entire year, so that makes this paper super versatile too. Don't forget to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, so you can see projects and other items from the holiday mini catalog. That is just super fun. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and be sure to subscribe if you're new, as I post every Tuesday and Thursday, and I'm doing all of the designer series paper reveals from the holiday catalog, so you can check those out below. Happy stamping! Bye-bye!